What's up mga papi? Bumili tayo ng Tubifex worms online, and for today's video, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano natin piniprep itong chubby natin for feeding and how do we keep them alive. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
So bakit nga ba Tubifex worms mga papi? Kasi Tubifex worms are high in protein. Therefore, it's much better than the pellets and the flakes that we buy in the pet stores. And kasi itong mga pellets and flakes, these are processed fish food. And we all know that even for humans, di ba, processed food is something we want to avoid. Another advantage is that Tubifex worms are easily available in the Facebook Marketplace, mga papi, and also in Cartimar, so we can get hold of this live feed easily. Siguro, the only disadvantage I can think of is that it needs your time because you have to do constant water changes to keep these worms alive. And also, kung maarte kayo at madidiriin, maybe this is not for you kasi medyo malansa tong Tubifex worm eh. But moving on, so the first step is to clean the tubie by doing a water change. So tatanggalin muna natin yung aeration dun sa tubie container natin and isasama natin yung bagong bili natin na tubie dun sa konting tira natin from the last purchase. So i-visual check lang natin kung may mga black and white spots yung kumpol ng tubie natin. Yung white spots are the dead ones. Tatanggalin natin yan. And of course, the black spots are yung waste nung tubie natin. We also need to take those out para hindi magkaroon ng ammonia buildup at malason yung mga tubie natin dito sa container. Dito sa batch na to, mukhang nalinis na ng seller. So this is all good, I think. Next step is uhugasan lang natin by doing a water change dun sa tubie natin. Mga 3 times ko yan hinugasan to ensure na malinis na yung tubig. And we need to do the water change at least twice a day para walang ammonia buildup. Tapos yung mga nasala natin na free tubie, yung hindi nakadikit dun sa kumpol or dun sa main group, yun yung sineset aside ko to use as the live feed for our tetras. Basta make sure lang na red pa yung color ng pinapakain natin sa mga isda natin. Pag white kasi patay na yun eh, and I usually disregard it dahil baka magkasakit pa yung mga tetras natin. And then, of course, after feeding, ibabalik lang natin yung mga tubie natin sa lalagyan niya sa ilalim ng fish tank natin. And then we make sure that yung container is properly aerated kasi mamamatay yung tubie pag walang surface agitation yung tubig natin sa container. Hindi sila makakahinga and they will die. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-maintain ng tubie. Tie down lang natin lahat ha. Make sure you do water changes twice a day. That's the first one. Then number 2, get rid of the dead ones and the waste. Number 3, make sure that the container is properly aerated. And then lastly, number 4, hindi ko na-discuss kanina. We need also to feed our chubby. Yung chubby, maski ano kinakain yan, so you can feed them flakes or fish pellets or bread or yung mga tira-tirang butil ng bigas nyo or rice, mabubuhay na yan. Kasi nga, maski ano kinakain yan, para yan yung ex mo, maski ano kinakain. Okay, Doc. So that's our vlog for today. I hope you guys learned something. Pa-comment na lang mga papi if you have questions and pa-subscribe na rin. See you in the next Fish Keeping Boodle, everyone. Peace!